we will ask, what should a portable power station with extremely stable sine wave look like? What are its advantages? How should I choose? Today we will show you how to choose an excellent product. Let's turn on our 700 volt portable power station first. So let's take a look here. You can see that it is symmetrical up and down, left and right. The waveform is smooth and even. No distortion of ends, climbing tree, no deformed top. What does it mean? It means the AC wave is very stable with less dejection. It can increase the life cycle of portable power station.